So let's watch what is happening in the charts. And if we are watching on the 1 hourly, we see here we are in the falling wedge still with a small fake out. What it's not it's nothing bad. So about the small fake out. So still the price target of this falling wedge is always, is the top of the wedge, so around 20,400, 10,440. Only if we break obviously this line to the upside, right? And let's zoom right now in on the 15-minute because it's very interesting what I found here. We saw yesterday in the night a pump, and then we saw a dump again, a small dump, right? Today in the morning, and this happened all on Friday. So usually when we see pump and a dump on Friday night, we see further consolidation throughout the weekend. So unfortunately, based on the past, I think we will see only some small consolidation throughout the weekend, so today and tomorrow, until tomorrow evening, on Sunday evening when the Asia market open, right? However, the small pumps and dumps, which will be very, very small, we still can trade. I want to show you here what I found on the 1 hourly. It's very clear. Do you see this pattern or don't you see this pattern? So here, stay here with me. I show you what I see here. In my opinion, it's a very clear pattern. And what is this, Bratan? Tell me. It's a symmetrical triangle. You're right. So therefore, if we are connecting here, you measure a symmetrical triangle price target, you measure from top to downside, the last touch points. So I mean, I make a pessimistic one. If I make from here to here, if we break to the upside, the price target of the symmetrical triangle would be, it depends where we break out, 19,840. If we break to the downside this line, the price target would be here around 90,170. But it depends where we break it down, and we have here these white lines are huge support and resistance lines. So, Bradans, in my opinion, very clear. If we are breaking here this orange line to the upside today, so let's say here about or around 90,540 to the upside, we can start to long Bitcoin, Ethereum, ApeCoin, all the altcoins, right? So if we break here 9,450, first price tag is 19,600, next one 9,626, 9,644, and 19,700, and then our white line is a huge resistance line at 9,735. It's 1%, 10x average 10%, 20x 20%. If we break this line to the upside, this white line even more, then we have the next price tag 9,850, 20k, and then we have even more. Wait a minute. And then the price target, the top of the wedge, is at around 20,040. So all in all, this could be 4.6%, 10x average 46, 20x average over 92% long opportunity. Please take profits along the way, especially if we are reaching here this resistance line, because it's a huge resistance line, right? So if we break this symmetrical triangle to the downside, Bratan, so let's say we break it, wait a minute, твою ж мать, блядь. So if we break it here to the downside, at here around 90,480, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, ApeCoin, all the altcoins, Solana. First price get 19,442. Next one is 19,406. Next one is here this white line support. This is a huge support line. Here also a lot of, here, in my opinion, you have to take a lot of profits, not a financial advice. 90,350. The next one would be here, our price target over the symmetrical triangle at 90,175. It's 1.5%, 10x average 15, 20x average 30%. And then we have here our yellow line is coming as a big support, 18,917 at around 2.9%, 10x average 29%, 20x average over 58%. Short opportunity if we break this orange line, and especially if we break this white line to the downside. Don't forget to take always profits, and like I tell you every time, what I'm doing, if I'm opening here a trade for a long, for example, if we break this line to the upside, I'm making a stop loss slightly below this down line. If we're breaking here to the downside, I make a stop loss here above this upper line, right? Because if we have a quick reversal, yes, I lose a little bit money, but then I can quickly switch into a long. This is how I'm doing, but but please do your own research. Don't forget, we are trading on Bybit, bratan. You can use this bonus $4,620 for free for trading, but you get this bonus only after a certain amount of initial deposit. If you don't have initial deposit, you still can make a registration, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel, where I give you free signals for free, absolutely, if you're trading through my affiliate link. And it's all only my opinion, not a financial advice, bratan. Yes, so this the big picture what we are watching, not the big picture, but the big picture for the weekend. This falling wedge, we will see lately tomorrow a breakout of out or downside of this falling wedge. We are expecting upside, break to the upside, because it's a bullish pattern, right? Let's see if this works out. The probability is more likely that we are breaking to the upside than to the downside. However, it's not a guarantee. And today, if we are zooming in, we are watching here the symmetrical triangle, which we can trade. If we break to the upside, we can long. If we break to the downside, we can short, right? Ethereum price targets, I tell you also quickly, wait a minute. Ethereum price targets, so if there will be not huge moves today, I think, but still we can trade. First price target of Bitcoin break to the upside, 1,340, 1,350, 1,358, 1,370, and 1,380, 3.8%, 10x 38, 20x 46%. If we break to the downside, we can short Ethereum. First price target 1,318, 1,300, 1,288, and this yellow line as a big support, 1,273, 4.1%, 10x 41, 20x or 82% short opportunity if Bitcoin also breaking to the downside, right? Also Ethereum you can trade on Bybit, bratan, also with this bonus if you have initial deposit, or only if you're trading through my affiliate link, you get free access, bratan. So very clear in my opinion. So please write down what do you think all about it. In my opinion, very, very clear. And yesterday we made some gains on this pump, which I exactly told you, blood. So if you have any questions, brother, write me down below or write in Telegram group. I'm so tired still, blood, because I have so much emotions the last 2 days, and I'm very tired. But I will first a little bit, use this, for what, and then I go and have a breakfast. I kiss you and see you later.